Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a detailed review between Hotjar versus Lucky Orange, and we'll be going over two different websites to see their difference. So, this first one, Lucky Orange, it is focused on conversion rate optimization, and Hotjar helps you deeply understand your users and how they experience your site. Hotjar has more interviews, advanced service, and robust, and Lucky Orange has marketing announcement, live chat feature, and better capabilities to analyze forms. And then Lucky Orange is built for marketers and e-commerce who are in small businesses. Hotjar is also for them, but these are also for larger companies. Okay, so if you're a small company, Lucky Orange might do for you, but if you're a bigger company, Hotjar might be the best option for you. And then they have different levels of available support. As in Hotjar, they'll offer you in-house customer support for larger sites, and Lucky Orange, they'll only offer like paid experts that you get through Fiverr. Lucky Orange is suited for in-moment analysis, and Hotjar is suited for historical analysis. So these are the things. And another thing, Lucky Orange is a bit cheaper, but obviously you'll get some features less. Now let's see what another website needs to say. So both of these websites are supported on Shopify, WordPress, and Wix, things like that. And overlapping features, which means things that you'll get in both of them, are session recordings, heat maps, events, funnels. Now let's go to unique capabilities. Since we almost discussed a few of these, I'll say it again. Lucky Orange is giving you live chat, form analytics, and pop up announcements, and Hotjar will give you extensive suite of tools and things like that. And Smart Look, this is another one, but we are looking over that. Lucky Orange is for marketers, UX professionals, and customer support reps. So this is very important. And Hotjar is for marketers, UX professionals, and product managers. Now, if we come to pricing, then Lucky Orange starts at $18 a month, and then Hotjar starts at $39, and it can go up to $90 per month. So as you can see, that live chat, form analytics, these are the things that are different. I think most of the things are firstly the pricing. If you are on a low budget, then obviously a Lucky Orange is the better option for you because they're giving you the features for like live chat and things like that if you're a customer support. But let's say you are a big company who needs like more advanced features, then obviously Hotjar is the way to go. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.